Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to make a illustrations of flat icon of a duck. So there is a white blank page in front of me, A3 size. So landscape. Now I'm going to use my pencil tool and here are some settings, smooth, and I'm keep to select it as checked on. So here is the body part of duck. So it's a very easy type of illustrations, and step by step we are making uh, very critical type of illustrations in future. So stay with me. Here are some. I'm going to uh, make it here some with the curve pen tool, and need to fix these options. And see, I'm here also changing the strokes also. Here the fill color. Okay, now yellow. This is a deep yellow color, is a very attractions looking for attraction looking, and step by step we are going to make the other part of this duck here. Also this a part, and I'm going send it back to the control shift and braces bracket, left braces back, yes, left braces bracket. So here almost it is done. Okay, now send it back once more. So here the part of eyes, so this part of eyes is almost done. And now what I'm going to do is a see, this is a shadow part. So making the shadow always need the darker versions of the body part. So I'm taking the body color. So now I'm going to see here the black some part and this pipe, maybe right, lighter dark. So now I'm going to use the shape builder tool and hit with the help of alt. So here in this part I'm rejoining here, and some of this part I'm going to fix manually. Okay, you can do another way. So here is some the realistic mode. Yes. Okay, so need to delete the extra part. You can use the smooth pencil tool also to smoothify the extra points. Okay, now I'm going to delete the extra part, extra points, sorry, just making if you remains it no problem, but it looks nice if you remove extra point. Okay, so here our dark portions is ready, but now in this at this point I need to fix this point, but no, it looks very ugly. So I'm going to use the direct selection tool. Here we are direct selection tool. With the help of direct selection tool, in my previous video I also show you how to use the direct selection tool and the power of direct selection tool. It is a very useful tool in Illustrator. If you are going to be a very good illustrator, good in Illustrator, you have to know the use of direct selection tool and all of this tool, because all of this tool, basically the pencil tool here I'm going to use, and the same type of trick here, the making darker portions of this wing part. So there's the darker portions, maybe 5 hit. Okay, now cutting the extra part. For the cutting extra part, selecting both of this, and now hit selection and alt tool. Okay, so here our I need to fix this all of this thing. So okay, now ready. Our wing part is almost done. So to fix this some of this point. Now ready. Now put it here somewhere. So here our dark part is ready. Now the water we want to make, there's a blue, nice blue here. For the making of waves, we need to make a wave. So I'm going to use my uh, pencil tool, but no, it's looks very ugly. So now pencil tool, with the help of pencil tool and shift, holding shift, there's a nice here a some zigzag tool effect. So preview mode on, smooth, and here see this smooth. Okay, now you can understand how to create this web. So increase the stroke size. So here stroke size, and put it, send it back, all of this, send it back. Now alt, hit alt once more, hit alt once more. So the outside of this stroke I need to remove. For removing outside, eraser tool, maybe good, but selecting of this and hit alt. For alt, holding alt, you can see this is a very nice looks. Okay, okay, now it's almost done. Okay, almost done. And one things we remain here, and we need to fix all of this type of portions here. This for some glossy looking of this dark in 2D illustrations, almost 2D illustration when done. This kind of effect you can see for the making of glossy type of things for the okay. This is for the glossy looking. So you can put it in this head portions and maybe the wing portions, but the color must be changed. Here I'm put it here in some white versions of this for the making of glossy. So here's some trick for how can you make this 2D flat type of icon. So if you think this is very helpful, please hit a like button, and it's really give me inspirations. Thank you.